So this simple strategy really helped me in trading. It allowed me to get in and out of trades in good time, whether it's day trading or whether I want to go over a course of a few days. But this strategy really helped me. And I wish it's one that I found very early when I started trading. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to find a support, I'm going to find a resistance, and then I'm just going to use my Fibonacci. So let's dive straight in. As you can see, I've just got a random, it looks like a random price action going on in front of you, but this is on the 15-minute chart. So if you're looking to day trade, this is probably the 15-minute and the hourly are the charts that you are going to be using. So what we've done is we've formed a breakout, you can see just here, and now we're waiting for price action to give us certain levels. So now we can start to see that since the breakout, we then started to get some kind of a level support round about here. And we started to get resistance. You would say our first resistance was around this area just here. So you can see resistance. Yes, we popped up resistance, etc. Things like that. So now we're starting to form a range and we can see exactly where we're going to trade from the breakout. So very simple. We go over to here and we get over our trading view tool and we go for a Fibonacci. My settings are 0.618 and 0.65 for my golden pocket. If you follow me, you know golden pocket, and with Bitcoin, it respects that level a lot of the time. The first entry that I'm looking for is I'll look for a move out of this area, then I'm starting to form. But where would we come down? Where would the sell-off be? So I take it from the breakout, I take it to the top. And you can see this breakout just here. You can see that we then come down as we've gone, and we first off retest it here. If I zoom straight in, you can see the first retest just here. Okay, you may enter there. I probably wouldn't. I would then look for a retest again, either of an order block or a GP, which is a golden pocket. And you can see there. So that's my entry. That is my entry for a move to the upside. So that is trade number one. That's a success. We then have a look what's going to happen now. So we now know that that was a resistance level. So let's have a look what happens when we look towards this resistance level up here again. So before I go any further, I'm asking just for a small favor. I'm not here to try and sell you anything or anything like that, but if you can comment below this video where you're from, anything like that, anything that you want to comment, whether you're from the UK, anywhere around the world, what you're really interested in, any type of comment, that would really help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you are really getting some nice value from this video, please make sure you hit the like, make sure that you hit the subscribe. We really do appreciate it, and it allows everybody else to see this video across YouTube. So again, thank you, and let's get back into it. We come up to the upside and then we create this wick. So what do? Let's see if it matches up. We go over here, we get our Fibonacci position, and we take it from the top now, and then we take it to the bottom of where we are, and we've come down here. So this was the move here. This was the next candle. If I zoom in again, you can see this was a move. We've come down. So now we've created a bottom. So I'm going to bring my fib to the bottom, and you can see in the golden pocket just here, we retest trade number two. We can wait if you wanted to get a real one for the next one, but I personally, once we've made that move to the downside, I would then like the retest. There's my trade number two. So this is two trades, two successful trades. As we go, we keep looking down. I'm going to take my profit, but profit is in another video. So number two trade, number two success. We then let price do what it needs to do. It comes up and it then breaks above these resistance areas 1, 2, 3. You can see it comes up, it will trap longs, and then we will start to see what happens. So all of a sudden, then again, we've now found our top Fibonacci. We take the Fibonacci from the top, and then we could take it from the first low just here. And you can see we did not retest here. So that would not be an entry. We would wait, and then we would wait for this level down here. We've not retested. And then we wait for this level down here. You can see, okay? So once we've not retested, we just move our Fibonacci to the lowest point. We take it from the highest point. We take it from the lowest point. We wait. And as you can see, trade number three, you can see in here, maybe just one gets in that area, but if you was to have other areas in there, again, this would be your third trade. So now we have taken 3 trades just by using a Fibonacci on the 15-minute time frame. When we are ranging at this moment, and we've taken 3 trades and we have 3 successful trades. So then we wait. We now wait and wait, and we're in this trade. We can take profits early, and then we wait, and then we hit the bottom of our range. So what do? We've now hit the bottom of our range. We now wait for price to make a high. Okay, we could use this one. We wait for price to make a high. That's our high. If you can see that, that's our high. What happens after we touch this high? We come down and we retest literally nearly to the dollar, and there's our long entry, trade number 4, succession. And again, we stay out of the market until we then come back up to this range top. What do? We then wait to the range top, just here. We take our Fibonacci. As you can see, it's repetitive. We take it and we take it to the low, first low, nothing there. We can't see any retest. We take it to the second low. And what are we waiting for? We're waiting for a retest. We come down, we take it to our low, and you can see, there you go, trade number 5. Trade number 5 is now in and locked for profit. Okay, locked for profit. Yes, this one is not a massive trade because it comes down and then it gets stopped up to the upside. So then, okay, we're out of the trade. If you took profits early, fine. If not, then you would have moved your stop loss to entry, and you would have then been a risk-free trade. So we come down, we come down, we come down, and then we look for another one. Now we have no retest here. We look for this. We look for a long. There's no real retest. We don't have a retest, you can see. So that's a no entry. And then we don't really get up towards the top of this range. What you could do, you could have taken this one from here and then taken it from there and see where you got a retest. And you could see you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 retests before then another move to the downside. So just by looking at that chart, you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, we had 5, 6 trades that would play out just by using your Fibonacci's and your stop losses in the right places. So that is how you make money out of the market. Very, very simple strategy. Just using your Fib, once you know where your support and your resistance are, you will manage to get 6 trades out of possibly, you may have took 7, 6 winning trades when your stop loss is in the right position. As always, people, I really do appreciate it, and I will see you all on the next video.